In this video, you will learn how to download, translate, and convert English subtitle to Chinese language in a SRT file for free. YouTube generates subtitle and automatically translate them into foreign languages for you. So if you don't need to export or translate the subtitle, but just want to watch or post video, then you don't really need this tutorial. In my case, I need to add Chinese subtitle to a bunch of English video on Bilibili, the Chinese YouTube. There were a couple of things I didn't want to do. I didn't want to hire a translator to get those done perfectly, which would cost me time and money. I didn't want to download some random softwares, and I didn't want to sit and wait for the video to be uploaded to the random software. What I need, nothing perfect, but something that will work.
Young girls are so easy to play. Even Elton John would think this is too gay. Vampires have never been the same. Now they're just lame. Now they're just lame. It's only a matter of time before zombies are ruined too. Where teenage zombies would take their shirts off to make 12-year-old kids drool. Wait, this might already exist. Let's do a Google search. Let's see, R-U-I-N-E-D zombie. Oh, what the fuck? They've already done it. Edward and Bella ruined it for me. 2 girls, 1 cup's the better love story. Vampires have never been the same. Teenage young girls are so easy to play. Even Elton John would think this is too gay. Vampires have never been the same. Now they're just lame. Now they're just lame.
Mulled wine. Is this actually mulled wine? It's hot red wine.